Hey guys, so today I'm going to be trying string painting, and I've never done it before, so I thought it would be cool. And I don't have school today, and I already had all the stuff. I had all my paints, and I have string. I'm just using this. It's like this thick, so I think I'll be good with this string. And I have all my colors ready. I have, first what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a black background. And then I'm going to use green and blue. And then my second one that I have, which is on a smaller canvas, I'm going to do a white background, which this isn't entirely white. It's a little metallic pearl white. That's okay. And I'm going to do yellow and purple. So I have my box to make sure none of the paint goes in or all over the table. Because like I've done other painting things before where they're all messy, like my pour paintings and stuff. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some of the black paint on here. And now I'm just going to spread it out. But I'm just trying to get it everywhere. Alright, so it looks pretty good. And now I have my string dipped in here. So now I'm just going to place it. I'll place one like right here. Right here. That seems good. And then I have multiple, oh, oops, I dropped it in here. And then I'm going to add one more. I'm going to add a blue one. And actually I'm going to add another blue. I have it, so I might as well. And now I'm just going to pull the string and it should work. Just going to make like a nice, looks like a floral. Oh, oops. And then my last one. Oh. Looks pretty cool. I like how it looks. I like the little pattern. I like how the blue turned out. The green looks pretty okay. There's just some weird spots. But I think it turned out pretty cool. So now I'm gonna do my next one. Okay, so now I have my second canvas. It's a bit smaller, and now I have my pearl white paint, because I don't have regular white paint. Okay, I think that's enough. I can always add more, because I don't want it to be super thin, but I also don't want it to be really thick. I'm just trying to get all these like weird bubbles out because they look weird. I feel like I didn't make it thin enough because I added watered on my paint, but I feel like this one wasn't thin enough, so it's like all weird. I might add a little bit more. Alright, I think that's good enough. Now I have my string and my yellow paint. I'm going to start with that first. I'm going to add it right here. Oh. I don't want it to fall in all the black paint, and then I can't grab it. Okay, so now I have my purple paint. And I'm gonna add another yellow one over here. And then I have, and then I'll add another purple one. Okay, that's okay. I'm gonna start on this end. Yeah, I probably didn't have my paint thick enough, but I didn't want it to be all weird, but I hope it'll turn out okay. That one looks okay. Let me do this one. I'm gonna do this one. That one isn't too bad. I'm gonna try adding it over here, just like, I don't know, swirl it or something. I think I made it look worse. That's okay though. Okay, I don't want to add anything and ruin it, but I mean, this one turned out pretty okay. I liked my other one better. I don't know. I think the white paint was just really like weird. I didn't make it thick enough, so it didn't look as good. But I think that's okay. This one I liked, and I liked like the black background, and I think it swirled a little bit better than this one. But yeah, I think this was a fun thing to do. I might do it again. It looked really cool. I'll probably do black paint again. Still have a little left, but that's okay. And so if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.